guys, this is Sargam. I'm here with Karananda Bhena, and we are just spending a time in casino and just trying to figure out the city of this Atlantic. So we are just on the boardwalk of Atlantic Oceans, and it's really fun. We are doing great here, and let's see what we're gonna see the next. And we are walking, you can see all these things around here, and this is the Ocean Casino, Ocean City Casino,
Where we live?
and we usually not from this casino. Actually, we are coming to the different one. What is the name of that?
The Bragada.
The Bragada over there. And it's I think I can show you the
Bragada
image
is a little bit
farther from here.
Little bit.
A little bit far from here, but just we are trying to walk here. You
But
can
it's
see,
a little bit. It's a beautiful
you can still see the,
freezing.
yeah, you can still see that oceans right here. Right, this is the Atlantic Oceans. The big waves. You can see that. Beautiful here. And if you guys like it, you guys can come here. It's beautiful here. Thank you guys. I will keep you updated. Thank you. This is the wave of the Atlantic Oceans. You can see this. It's coming so fast. Look at this Atlantic Ocean.
Wow. Hey, bird.
Woo!
Hey, how are you? How are you? Come on.
Ayo, Venago, ayo, ayo. This is kind of big one. This is the big one.
Yeah.
Look at this, guys. It's a very big one.
Hello, hello. Namaste. Atlantic City. Advertisement for this boatman. Atlantic Ocean side. ये ठुला ठुला घरहरू अपार्टमेन्ट क्यासिनोहरू रहेछ फरवर्ड जाउँ It's really salty water. Guys are fishing. Nice and clean water.
यो निकाल्ने क्रम जारी हो। Atlantic Ocean हेर्नुहोस् साँच्चै नै यो प्राकृतिकको देखेँ कति सुन्दर छ। Right over there. Atlantic ओसनमा बोट राइड भइरहेछ। कुन चाहिँ समुद्रको ठ्याक्कै आडामा यी यस्ता टोपी खस्ने जस्ता बिल्डिङहरू छन्। साँच्चै नै यो यहाँको यो छेउको बालुवाहरू हेर्दाखेरि चाहिँ दर्शक पनि साँच्चै नै यो समुद्रले पक्कै पनि छाल ल्याउँछ। यहाँ हेर्नुहोस् यो उतापट्टिबाट आएको छाल हो, यहाँसम्म आइरहेको छ। यहाँ मानिसहरूको भनाइ छ यो वाल पनि नागेर चाहिँ यो वेब चाहिँ बाहिर निस्किन्छ भन्ने गरेका छन्। साँच्चै नै त्यो परतिरको त्यो प्लास्टिकहरू बगेको देख्दाखेरि चाहिँ होला जस्तो छ। यसरी पटाइहरू यसरी लगाएका छन्, दोहोरो बनाएको छ बनाउनु चाहिँ, तर पनि कोही कोही बेला चाहिँ यो समुद्र एकदम चाहिँ वेब बढी भएर आएको बेलामा चाहिँ साँच्चै नै यो सबै नाग्दो रहेछ।